Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system written question asked in GATE 2010 EC paper. This is from the area of Laplace transform. They have given f of t. What they ask is f of t at t tends to infinity. Sorry, limit f of t, it should be t tends to infinity. T tends to infinity. That is final value theorem they asked. They are given that value is 1. If that value is final value is 1, what is the value of k? This k they asked. We know limit t tends to infinity f of t1 is equal to limit s tends to 0 s into f of s. Right? Okay. So what is limit s tends s into f of s? So it is f of t means it is f of s. Right? So limit s tends to 0 s into f of s is 3s plus 1 divided by s cube plus 4s square plus k minus 3s. That is equal to 1. Right? So limit s tends to 0. What we are going to do, we will take s outside, s into 3s plus 1 by s squared plus 4s plus k minus 3 equal to 1. When I substitute s 0, it is 1 divided by 0 0 k minus 3 equal to 1. So k is equal to 4. So the answer is k is equal to 4. Thank you.